Here we have the everyday squishies, which makes the perfect gift for the holidays for me. Now let's open the box. This is super adorable, and I think I'm gonna keep it to keep all my jewelry and even some of my squishies. It comes with this bag, so after you're done unboxing your cute little advent calendar, you have a place where they don't get dirty. It comes with this bracelet and these adorable stickers for your squishies. Now, what day should I open first? Maybe I should start with the first. First up, it's this little snowman. He's so cute. It's an adorable little wreath. We have this little guy. He is a friend now. We have a little apple. Ooh, a little Christmas tree for them. Ooh, we have a little jelly. Oh, it's a little blue one. A little blue snowman to have a little friend for a little Christmas gift. A little cake. It's a little star. A little dice. 2 little paws. A little chocolate bar. A little tomato. A little dog. A cute little pretzel. A little gingerbread cookie. Have you seen the Muffin Man? It's a whole little gingerbread family. Ooh, a little strawberry. Ooh, a little Santa hat. Now for the final one. Ooh, all these little paw prints. Little rainbow paw prints. When you get one, but when you get 23, that's when the real fun begins. This is a perfect gift for, you know, you could get it for yourself too, but for others it's fine too.